According to CATHIE, the price of a Shiba Inu will increase to $50,000 overnight. As of this writing, Shiba Inu is one of the few cryptocurrencies in the market with significant interest. You found the channel for the wealthy coin. Be sure to give the whole video a look, and if you enjoy it, hit that like button and sign up for updates. The screen displays today's Shiba Inu pricing, and the 24-hour trading volume is displayed as 112,207,074 USD. The price of a Shiba Inu has dropped by $3.70 during the past day. Etherscan IOTA recently detected a massive transaction involving the transfer of 4 trillion Shiba Inu worth $35,080,000 from a Binance wallet labeled Binance A to a wallet connected to the decentralized exchange Shiba Inu swap. The transaction for 1 trillion Shiba Inu was validated by the Whale Alert account as being sent from obedience to an unknown wallet. The Shiba Inu DEX claims that Binance has placed a bet on these 4 coins. Binance made a bet of 4 trillion Shiba Inu. This comes after Satic's ranking of Shiba Inu and the top watch-listed DEX project on its platform, while simultaneously bashing popular projects like 1inch Network, 1inch, and PancakeSwap. However, the popular website for tracking blockchain data evidence from studies of whales, the Shiba Inu token is back in the top 10 most acquired tokens among the 100 largest eighth whales in the previous 24 hours. According to data supplied by Whale Stats, as a group, the top 100 eighth whales have spent an average of $341 million on Shiba Inus in the last day. Binance now has more Shiba Inus than any other company, as was previously revealed by the Crypto Basic. Binance's 2 wallets, labeled Binance 28 and Binance 8, hold the biggest quantity of Shiba Inu. As of this writing, the combined value of the Shiba Inu in these 2 wallets is $738.5 million. According to CoinMarketCap, Binance has 87 trillion Shiba Inu worth of US reserves spread over 7 wallets. To protect your digital assets in today's interconnected world, you should use security. The security analysis firm CATHIE has lately confirmed Shiba Inu. A recent tweet claims that the male members of the coin ecosystem have achieved a score of 93 on the leaderboard security test, placing them in second place behind Polygon, who has a score of 95. Since she became popular, Shiba Inu has tried to put distance between herself and her mother coin roots. She released a non-blockchain version of the End of Eternity ecology and ecosystem last year, and it was very well received. The Shiba Inu community has enthusiastically accepted the new SUR rating. Satoshi Kusama, the pseudonymous creator of Shiba Inu, has hinted about a Shiba Inu Thorium upgrade, which the Satic website claims will correct 33 on-chain problems entirely and 1 partially. Assuring the safety of the ecosystem in this way is a fantastic method to set it apart from the market's disastrous dominance by hackers in 2022. According to the Shiba Inu burn tracker, burning was introduced to the ecosystem last year as well. Since 2022, the ecosystem has consumed 83 billion Shiba Inus. It's safe to say that after the Shiba Inu Thorium upgrade goes live, these new developments will alter the public's perception of the environment. The publication of the upgrade's beta version could have an effect on the price as traders and investors test the waters of the developing Shiba Inu ecosystem. Attorney John Deaton has stated that the Ripple dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission will not settle until after Judge Annalisa Torres issues her summary judgment decision. This was one of the 2023 predictions made by the court's friend in a tweet he posted yesterday. The legal struggle has been going on for over 2 years. Statement number 1 of predictions: a resolution of the Thorpe case cannot occur until the second judge has rendered a ruling. Conversely, you may find yourself named in multiple lawsuits for selling unregistered securities. The negative news for Gensler is uncovered at the spring meetings of 3Invest. Destination, and he resigns before the UN. Deaton elaborates on his forecast, explaining that the parties could reach an out-of-court settlement after the court judgment to stay a prospective jury trial. And potential jury trial, and potential. As I've said before, some people don't seem to understand why I think the Ripple case won't be resolved until after Judge Torres issues a ruling. A settlement at that point would preclude both a trial by jury and an appeal of the verdict. This forecast lends credence to Dryden's prior position, in which he asserted that the lawsuit would proceed to a court ruling despite the fact that the majority of extract holders in a poll he conducted anticipated a settlement before summary. According to Deaton, the lawyer said at the time that he no longer anticipated the group to pursue a settlement to keep the Hyman documents confidential. While the SEX and Omnibus motions have recently made moves to keep the Hyman records under seal, he thinks the SEQ is willing to risk letting them go to Ripple anyhow since they accepted to a court order to do so. The founder of Crypto Law also thinks that Gary Gensler, a top SEC official, is willing to risk a negative outcome by betting on the SEC stake. He continued by saying that the victory over O'Brien had given the regulators newfound optimism and that the facts had fallen apart. Notably, according to Deaton, the judgment in the aforementioned lawsuit against Ripple will be the only clarification the emerging markets get until the next bid. He stated that the polarized makeup of the House, combined with the widespread distrust of both crypto and lawmakers, makes it unlikely that any significant legislation would be passed. For this reason, the cryptocurrency community is rooting for a court judgment in favor of the blockchain enterprise company to avoid what they fear would be a slaughter should a Ripple law occur. Fox Business Charles Gasparino quotes an SEC senior correspondent who claims that by July 2022, the SEC plan will require all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin to register securities. After SEC charges Gemini for the sale of unregistered securities from July 20, 2022 on Fox Business, Deaton's prediction that SEC will suit any U.S. exchange before the end of the year has come true. What happened today was something that John Deaton could have predicted. In recent weeks, the SEC has filed cases against Genesis Trading and Gemini, alleging that they sold securities without proper registration. Cameron Winklevoss, co-founder of crypto exchange Gemini, has criticized the action as counterproductive, saying that Gemini is already in a legal battle with Genesis to recoup the cash of its earning program. Clients who have been waiting more than 2 months to get their funds out of the crypto exchange. Notably, it generated yield from lending consumer funds to Genesis as part of their earning program. Genesis has temporarily suspended operations due to a lack of cash. Meme Coin's ranking by blockchain security pioneer Static, the Web3 security leaderboard ranks Shiba Inu as the second most secure crypto project. Shiba Inu scored a 93 on the overall, which takes into account how secure the project is. How well